Hello everyone, back again with me Fatima Mutmainah. I will show you how I spend my Eid days. Here I meet my other friends. They are called Aini, Bunga and Chanda. We haven't seen Aini for a long time because she already works in Bangka. I am very happy when I meet them because they always make me laugh. Like in this video I keep laughing. We have finished Eid prayers. We are on the way home with my friend named Ocha and Bunga. Ocha was embarrassed when his face was videoed. This is a mandatory food during Eid. There is ketupat. There are green beans made from long beans and carrots. There is chicken opor. There is potato and chicken liver sauce. And there is also brown sugar sponge cake. This was my first guest, these little kids. They were very happy when I told them that their video would be on YouTube. The second guest who came to my house was my neighbor and my brother friends. After that, my family and I went to my grandfather's house, which is in Ulu. Then to my aunt's house. I have a house behind my grandfather's house. Here we eat various kinds of somais. There are cabbage, tofu, potatoes, and bean sauce. This my aunt made it herself and it tasted really delicious. Next, in the afternoon, my friends come to my house. They were called Chanda and Aini, and after leaving my house, we will go to Aini and Chanda's house. We were on our way to Aini's house and we got caught in the rain. Our houses are not too far apart, just different hallways. I came home from their house after sunset. Evening come, my uncle and aunt come to my house with their family. They were my mother's family. The adults gathered in the living room and the little ones gathered in their TV room. On the second day of Eid, in the morning when the weather was rainy, we made a pilgrimage to my grandmother's grave. This is a special family cemetery. My grandfather said this land was bought specifically over our family's graves, so other people should not be buried here. My grandmother's grave was combined with the grave of her child who had died earlier. There was a black cat who didn't know where it came from and joined us on the pilgrimage. Here are my uncle, aunt, and cousins. After the pilgrimage, in the afternoon, we went to my father's family's house in Plaju. Here I made a video with my mother and youngest brother. My father and second sister didn't want to record it because they were embarrassed. We have arrived at our grandparents' house very lucky. When we got to the rain, just calm down so we didn't get caught in the rain, and this is it, the atmosphere of my grandfather and grandmother's house. Here we eat meatballs and fruit ice. The meatballs had a bite too. This gray cat with thick fur is called Molly. She doesn't bite or scratch when asked to play. She is playing with my brother, and this cat also has a necklace around her neck which is really adorable. I rarely come here because my cousin is no longer there. When I was little, my cousin lived here, but now he and his family have moved to Malang and we rarely see each other. I really miss him. Today, there are only my grandparents in this house. Usually, there is my aunt, but she is away at her husband's family's house. So, the house is quiet and I just play with his excited cat. This cat is very heavy. Because of its large body, it doesn't want to be carried by me. There was this white cat on top of the car. At first he was sleeping, but when I recorded it, he was awake. Below there is a Molly who is sleeping. Her fur is very thick. After leaving my grandparents' house, we went to my aunt's house. Her house is not far from my grandparents' house. My aunt's house is very comfortable. I really like the design of this house. Well, this is my aunt. We call her Aunt Joy. She is very beautiful. Next, we went to my friend's house, which was quite far away. Here there were my grandmother, sister, uncle, mother, father, and my brother. Day 3 of it, we went to my mother's sister's house in Sako. We called her Mangcha, but I forgot to make a recording when I was together, so there is only this video when I was there. Sorry. Next, we went to my aunt's house, which is in the secret gutter. There is lots of food here. Fourth day of it, with my school friends. I was very happy to meet them because we hadn't seen each other for a long time. Their names are Aulia and Dasri. I haven't seen Aulia for a long time because she studies in Jogja, so we rarely see each other. Next, we went to Dasri's house in Opi, and here was her little niece named Diva. Next, we went to Meritai to Aulia's house. It was very far from my house to Meritai, like going home. Here, we ate meatballs and fruit ice. The food was really delicious. So that's how I spend my 8 days. Thanks for watching.